Ginedera masunga buguru tugenda ko mutekatekezo okulima tugenzeeko ekole otuke banabino bazisa gavumenti ya kunodo okubana tenge bayambye ku mutekateke y'ennima y'omulembe era nga bagamba nti njala ya mwadde akatebe yafuuka lufume waabwe.
Abalimi abaavu mu bitundu eby'omumambuka ebiseera ebisinga bali batawaanyizibwa ekizibu ky'enjala nga gavumenti ebatwalira akawunga awamu n'ebijanjaalo okuyita mu ofiisi ya Prime Minister naye nga nabyo tebimala. Wano gavumenti yakwatagana n'ab'ekitongole Sasakawa Africa Association okutandika okusomesa awamu n'okubawa ebyuma eby'omulembe bye bakozesa okulima mu disitulikiti okuli Kole Otuke nga bano bayiga ennima ey'omulembe. Abalimi mu disitulikiti zino baweebwa ekyuma ekikuba omuceere, ekyuma ekifukirira ennimiro wamu n'okubawa ensigo ez'embala okusobola okwejja mu bwavu. Adon Caroline nga y'omu ku balimi abaganyuddwa mu nteekateeka za Sasakawa atunnyonnyodde engeri gye bafunyeemu.
I have gardens of maize, rice, which is almost to harvest. Others are still young, and others have harvested. And as I talk, Sasakawa has taught me now. I have milling machine through Sasakawa. I used to dig without any knowledge, but Sasakawa has helped me to know what I can do. Digging as a business, farming as a business. It is through Sasakawa. Now I thank Sasakawa a lot.
Abalimi mu kitundu kino betanidde nnyo okulima entula, emboga wamu n'omuceere nga batubulidde engeri gye bakwasaganyaamu embeera.
Because long time also we are not drying our things well, and we complain people are not buying our things in a good quality of price. But as I talk, we are now drying our things well and bulking. As I talk right now, our maize which is in the garden, this season, this second rain, we are going to get a lot of maize. Because first rain, we failed. We got it, but not much. But as I talk, things which is in the garden, it is okay. Maize, rice, and other things. As I talk, even we are digging watermelon.
Abakulu okuva mu kitongole kya Sasakawa batotodde ekizibu ky'abalimi naddala ebyo bye bayitamu n'engeri gye bagenda okubayambangamu nga bayita mu bwegassi.
Access to power is one of the issues. So definitely this Sasakawa cannot do everything. It calls for partnership with both government and non-government agencies so that the enterprises that we are promoting for are supported by interventions at government and non-government levels by other partners. And the issue is also sustainability. As much as possible, what we are doing is, we have means of, for instance, the CADs, the CBF, which are members of the community. We are not bringing only experts from Kampala and then teaching them and going, but we are actually creating the capability within the community. So that is one of our mechanisms to ensure sustainability. But some of the challenges...
Regenerative agriculture is also talking about the diversification, crop diversification. Nowadays the farmers are many, the producers are many in the market. One bag is costing 60,000. But the one for the dry season, the dry season we are entering, we used to sell a bag at 120,000 shillings or 150,000 shillings.
Byawandru Bone, Crossroad TV, Omunyo.